Speaker, sir, I speak in support of the demands. Panchayat Raj chere, I just want to speak 7 pay salary hathenge staffachi. So 169 village panchayats are there, out of which 80, totally 196 panchayats increase the kind problem na. Only 80 panchayats have a problem because they're weaker panchayats. The rest can manage. So Tangele, and they just got an increase of 3,000. Thanka Mashe, if the minister could help them and give them their raise. Speaker sir, panchayats, there is a lot of garbage issue. Sogla log garbage udeta. Panchayatik funds पाव नाही ते for garbage. आता garbage funds पाव ना म्हणून garbage collect केल्यापासून लोक वाटेत उडतात. What steps the panchayat, the government will take to see that maintenance is stopped? कारण लोक उडतात. It is a moral responsibility of the people also. लोकांची responsibility. आम्ही आता आमगे एरियान काढीत राहतात. Every 15 days रस्त्यार साइडीन उडयते 4 ट्रिप काडटाय आणि वयर ऑन उडयताय. आमगे सोशल ड्राय गार्बेज ती. But उडयत तो मनशाक इली responsibility ना म्हणून त्या कितें जाल्यार action करपाक जाय. We have to come with a system where we have to shame them a bit also. नाल्यार फेसबुकाचेर बी फोटो घालपाचे कोण उडयताय ते फोटो काण. कितें जाल्यार करचें पडटलें. नाल्यार हें चलपाना. This is going on for a long time. मारगांव municipality strict केलें म्हणून सगळी गार्बेज हाडटाय आनी आतां थिंग उडोवपाक लागले. इतू लेवलार उडयताय. You can't even imagine. तूं पास जाता आसतलो स्पीकर हात पडे आमगे स्पीकर आहा तो तूं पास जाता ते सायडीन यू नो दोनी सायडीन खुर्च्यार वयता आसतना तुका दोनी सायडीन ऑल सायड्स गार्बेज उडयताय एनी सायड यू कम सोंशारसान कॅमेरा घाल कितें घाल आतां एक्शन घेवन हें करपाचें आय वॉज रिक्वेस्ट minister to come up with some system where we will able to if they will pay us for the cameras we'll put cameras in all the areas and identify people and shame them and then fine them. Because transportaची उलयता आसतना over taxi issue आहा तो. I think finally somebody has to take a call whether that app based जावन तुगेलें हें जायें काय नाका. Because थोड्यां जायें थोड्यां नाका. How to come with the system?
एक मिनट.
Yeah.
16, I would like to move a motion to extend the duration of the sitting of the House by 3 hours.
3 hours.
The question is that the duration of the sitting of the House is extended by 3 hours. Those who are in favor may say ayes and those who are against say no. Nobody wants?
Very, very difficult issue.
Ayes have it, duration of the House is extended by 3 hours.
Very difficult issue as far as the taxi issue is concerned. Because it is there for a long time. There are people, like Minister has said, that there was a survey conducted and that everybody wanted a app. But somehow we have to come up with a system and finish off this matter. This matter is going too far. It is creating a bad impact on the industry also. Sit down with them and finish it this session only, because every session we are coming up. For the last taxi issue चोयल्यार म्हाका सदां 4 फुल टर्म जालो गेल्या वर्सा हाफ टर्म जालो आनी ह्या वर्साचो टर्म काबार जावपा term काबार जावपाचो रावपाक वय. Because sir, I just want this issue to be settled. Some decision to be taken in the interest of the state and in the interest of the tourism industry. Because sir, I know Ola जावन तुगे Uber आहाय. I was the guy, हांव सदांच taxi association हांव रावलो आहा. आनी सदां म्हणलें I was on record that we didn't want an app. When the first app came in, that is the Goa Miles, I was here in the house opposing that app. आनी हांव सांगतालो तेंकां की सगळे तो तुका पॉइंट करता. Speaker sir.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I'll go ahead.
Regional Bob, you are wasting time.
No, I'm
Finish.
not wasting time.
You got another 2-3 minutes.
There are two opinions. तू म्हाका उलोवपाक दिना जाणा. पूण हांव सारको 10 मिनट घेतलो हांव तेजे सकयल घेना. Speaker sir, delivery and there are two opinions. Goa taxi, but there is no two opinions that Goa taxi has contributed to the industry. Speaker sir, I think I am expecting a good decision. Subsidies आहे, bus subsidy operators. तेंगेले आमगे कुडतोरी constituency थोडे operator आहाय, तांकां subsidy मेळना. ती मातशे clear करची. Should clear the past subsidy. I've been informed that bus operators from other places also have not received. So Speaker sir, I would expect the minister to clear all subsidy thing payments, private operators and show. जाऊं ते ऑपरेटर मेळना तेजे. EV buses आहाय पडय ती मारगांव पेंजीम वाया लोतोली कोर्ताली एक बस वयता. ती सोमराजी येना बाकी दिसान येता. ती लोकां शिरी पडटा थिंगा आमगे स्टाफ वयता आमगे जायतो गव्हर्मेंट स्टाफ वयता who are in the secretariat तेंगे जोतर ती डील जाल्या तेंक ती रेगुलर येल जाल्यारी म्हाका सद्दां ती बरी जातली बिकॉज सर आमी कुडतोरी लास्ट इवनिंग बसीस फ्रॉम मारगांव टू कुडतोरी आमगे KTC बस ती सारकी रेगुलर ना थिंगा आनीक देखून घायल्या जाता प्रायवेट बसीस राती आहाय त्यो लेट आहाय त्यो एक पट चुकयताय सो आय वूड रिक्वेस्ट KTC bus has a full-fledged time schedule in Margaon Kurtari रोडाचेर त्यो बस ऑपरेट करनाय त्यो मातशे ऑपरेट करच्यो बिकॉज वी हॅव ऑलरेडी पयली आमी बस घायल्ले when I was a chairman आमी घायल्ले so I would request you to put up that bus because sitting arrangement for senior citizen we would request you to increase the number of sitting arrangement especially during office hours prime peak timingaचेर increase करपा मेळटा जाल्यार करपाचें पीक टायमिंगाचेर KTC बसीचेर जे हें आहा जे तुगेले डेजिग्नेशन प्लेसीस वेर टू गो बोर्ड आसताय इफ यू कुड गिव मी रोमन स्क्रिप्ट एज वेल एज देवनागरी स्क्रिप्ट इन कोंकणी वुड बी मच एप्रिशिएटेड आई वुड एक्सपेक्ट यू टू डू इट बिकॉज as far as panchayats are concerned one more issue I want to take up is thenge additional director of panchayats and zaite matters pending ahead. If you could hurry up those matters and see that you give a time bound tenga clearance because lot of issues have been pending there as far as illegal constructions, illegal this. I know आता Majegar scheme zala जाऊन regularization zala, Rukha zala, but still another issue I would like to raise is trade license for structures without occupancy. कितले trade licenses दिलो है? I have asked a question on 23rd. I hope the reply come. EHN house numbers दिलो है. Commercial यहाँ पासून जाल establishment जाला हा. EHN number आचेर. All these issues have to be tackled. It is partially injustice for some people who have put up constructions, who have regularized the constructions, and given all the इतले त्यांनी त्रास करून सगळे licenses बी काढले आणि तुम्ही हे केला. तुम्ही तेका EHNचे regularization केला, whereas the others have paid a lot. Because industries Goa IDC के achievement आहे, and ते achievement आहे ते open portal, infrastructure development, and even so, services preview पडे हा ते आम्ही there are a lot of improvements that have been done. आता allotments केला आहे आम्ही. We have done allotments, we have done e-auction 91 allotments, we have done plots which are given advertising. Under advertisement इला सोनी झाला, but e-auction आजी चोड झाला. Women entrepreneurs also we have given. Exit scheme पासून केलो हा. Now I'll raise few points. आता when everybody is talking, I have seen posts coming on Facebook. कि IFB पासून industry.
Honorable MLA.
Yeah, speaker sir.
एक मिनिट cover 1 minute cover कर.
1 minute रे. माका IDC चे थोडे उलोय नाही मरे speaker.
IDC तू उलो शकना.
हाँ उलोयत रे.
How you cannot speak honorable MLA chairman IDC.
I'm talking overall. I'm not talking detail. उलो पर शकना नहीं. I can speak. Speaker
You
sir.
can't. You are MLA.
Nets
Chairman.
company, Eurostampa, Centaur Pharmaceuticals, 14. These companies have come and started their factories also. And IFB, I post soila कि IFB chair कि IFB ran off because of corruption. I just want to tell you that they want to start another factory. They have come for more factory in Goa, and they want to start. They want to have the factory on e-auction. E-auction आजे त्याने e-auction घेन tech factory Galpa Sorita and Galpa Sorit ते सगळे बरे हा. Galpa Sorit ते बरे हा तेंगा. They are asking for some benefits from the company, from the government. ते गव्हर्नमेंटान अजून देखून ते फायनल केला नाले IFB आज पासून हाल्या पासून येवपा रेडी आहा बिकॉज these are issues which have been raised. In fact, आनी एक मिनिट कुंदी मरे खबर बता बिकॉज so all these issues ते बारे आमकां we have even got awards there in that team because sir आमकां we IDC for collaboration जाला जे open portal जाला तेजे जायती चर्चा जाता चर्चा जात तेजेरी. I just want to tell you that the Karnataka government and the Maharashtra and two successive governments want to even tie up with this आमगे facility केलती because sir
Thank you.
साहेबा, तू
Honorable MLA Renji Vegas.